Hi, my name is Dr. Michael Rossi, Assistant Professor in the Department of Political Science and Director in the Program for International Relations. And on behalf of my fellow faculty, staff, and senior university administration, it is my privilege to invite all of you to attend the first annual Global Summit Conference held July 11th to the 24th right here at Long Island University, Brooklyn. After a year of COVID, which has resulted in numerous obstacles thrown in front of formalized education, students, faculty, and nearly everyone else are eager to re-engage and reconnect with one another. And this Global Summit aims to do just that. In this intensive two-week experience, we aim to offer participating students a distinctive learning environment that combines STEM studies, the sciences, diplomacy, international relations, political science, and professional developmental skills that give one the opportunity to build connections and establish networks before they even reach the university level. In this two-week experience, we will also be giving participating students the opportunity to engage in new teaching technologies, such as immersive and experiential learning using the latest 3D experience platform. But in addition to the technology and the software, students will have the opportunity of working with some of the most dynamic, creative, innovative, and dedicated faculty members, all of whom champion innovation and work across disciplines to create a true, unique learning environment. The Global Summit aims to provide all participating students with the opportunity to engage in applied learning. More than just simply taking college-level courses, students will have the opportunity to involve themselves in immersive learning simulations, a global leader workshop, interactive STEM courses, and workshops and symposiums for developing 21st century skills. Students will have the opportunity of meeting with and engaging with officials in the diplomatic, international, scientific, technological, healthcare, and environmental worlds. So with that in mind, the Global Summit offers participating students two unique opportunities. The first is providing them with a holistic, interdisciplinary view of the world, an understanding of why the world is the way that it is, why people do what they do, and why the challenges today are what they are. In addition to that, students will have the opportunity to engage, contribute, and collaborate in solving a number of transnational challenges that have both a global as well as a local impact. So please join me this summer from July 11th to the 24th here at Long Island University in the first Global Summer Experience.